Dobar dan, dobri ljudi. A vi što i niste ljudi, ma i vama dobar dan. Branko Ranđelović, serbianluge.com, we're in a city, a town. 50.000 ljudi. Više, 100. If it's a 100, then it means 100,000 people are living in Čačak, then it's a city. Yes, Nikola? It's a city, yeah?
Yes, of course.
Yes, city of course. And Čačak, Šumadija, Slobodan Arsenijević, that everybody knows as Arso Calypso. Aha. We have a very energetic director that is called Nikola Kosić, and director of cinematography. And now I'm gonna show you that there's only few people there like me that can come into this workshop and say, Arso, test! Odmah. Test, because I need these lures, they are not tested. I need them for our webshop, for serbianluge.com. No, those are not for testing. These ones are for testing, Arso. Yeah, these ones, yes. He has been working all night. Look at me. He has been doing, he's been making a very special handmade order for Russian market, and he's not feeling very well. But he's gonna test those lures now.
He's dying
And
now.
then I'm gonna take them to Belgrade and sell them to you guys. Because Arso has been making lures for, od kad praviš varavnice?
Od 90.
Since 1990. So it's been 30 years. 30 godina. And this is fine now. Yeah? Sad je sve u redu.
Sad je
Najzad.
Sad je okej. Malo ti ide nalevo. Huh? That's it. Slow, fast, jerking, twitching. Phantom 6 centimeters does it all. Yes?
Yes.
Say yes. Yes. Take the next one and all, and then we'll have a small Q&A. Nikola, Vasi.